meu pulso tá foda.
Alone on a park lawn, I saw a hummingbird moan. Why don't you follow me home to my garden? It's just a little dirt spot behind the apartment block. I intend to make it charming. The daffodil steals her yellow petals from the sun.